All right guys, when it comes to meal prep time, I want to teach you how to run and not to limp. So come right back for my Paleo Express black pepper shrimp. Woo! Keep it paleo. All right, Paleo Express, that means we're starting out with ginger and garlic. I'm gonna start by peeling this nub of ginger. I use a spoon to do this. You could use a vegetable peeler, a knife, whatever you wanna do. So then we'll cut one piece. Just like that. I've got a preheated skillet over here. A little olive oil, ginger. Well, that's started. We're gonna work our garlic. I'll just smash these guys. Boom, I love garlic. Awesome. Garlic's going in the pan with the ginger. And we'll stir that up. You want to keep the pan as hot as possible at this point so we can get a good sear on our shrimp. All right, I'm gonna add a little salt. I got 2 pounds of wild shrimp here, peeled and deveined. A little more oil, and then season side down. A little more salt, and then we're gonna add our black pepper. This is kind of a coarse grind. See that? It's gonna give us some heat, a little crunch. And then I like to add a jalapeno to mine too, just because I like it extra spicy. I'm gonna do a bias cut on that, but big slices so that you can kind of pick around it if you don't want it. All right, we'll let that cook. While that's going, I'm gonna slice up some mushrooms. Then I got 1 green bell pepper and 1 red bell pepper. We're just gonna cut these into chunks about the same size as a mushroom slice. So something maybe like that. You guys agree? There we go. We'll check in on our shrimp. Beautiful, looking good. Okay, and what we're looking for, this one's looking good right here. This one you can see needs to be turned and cooked on that second side. So that's all I'm looking for at this point. One more toss, and then I'm gonna add this. I'm gonna transfer this to a pan. Saute pan back on the heat, a little more oil. We'll go in with our peppers and mushrooms. I'm gonna help that out with a little water. And then some salt and pepper. And then I got some cilantro here. I'm just gonna roughly chop that. Maybe one more time, something like that. You guys, on this, we're just gonna leave these kind of crunchy like we see with the stir fry. We've got a nice shine on everything, and that means the mushrooms have kind of released their moisture. Perfect, just like that. So shrimp will go back in. And then we'll finish with roughly chopped cilantro. One last toss, and here we go. There we have it, guys. It's our next edition in the Paleo Express series with our black pepper shrimp and mushrooms. Get out there, give this one a try, and at every opportunity, do your best to keep it paleo.